Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to the Techzilla fam. So, guys, if you're trying to enhance an image quality and you're failing, I got the best solution for you. So this is my phone right here. It's just a mirror. I'm mirroring to the PC. Okay. So this is a real phone. It's not just an emulator or anything like that. So yeah, what you're gonna do is that, okay, for example, let's just go and download something. Guys, don't forget to hit the sub button, okay? Appreciate it. So let me just enlarge this. So I was downloading something, but for the purpose of the video and so that you can believe me, let me just walk you through it. And we look for a blurry image. We can just look for a blurry image. um my internet is slow, so I'm sorry. I don't want to switch off the Wi-Fi because I'm using it to mirror this whole setup. But let me just take, okay, I've already downloaded one image, but I don't see a blurry image. Maybe let me take this one. That one is a bit blurry, so I'm just gonna download this one. Okay, so it's done downloading. So what I'm going to do, let me open. Okay, as you can see, guys, this sucks. It's horrible. It's bad. It's bad, 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 bad. So what you're gonna need to do is, let me do this. Okay, what you're gonna do is that you're gonna go into Play Store. All right, you're gonna go into Play Store, and into Play Store, you get PixArt. They made it easy for us, guys. They made it easy for us. You get this app, okay? Once you get it, I'm not gonna update it. I'm sorry, PixArt. I'm sorry, I'm not gonna do that. Once you get it, let me just walk you through what you're gonna do inside. So we're gonna go inside of PixArt. Guys, please don't forget, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you get notified when I post new stuff. In that way, you'll get updated and you'll probably be a pro in like a few days or something, because these things are what make people trend. Like if you're trying to do content or stuff like that, you can just pick up images from the internet and then just enhance them and edit them using this software. So yes, sir, I'm gonna show you more stuff as time goes on, but for now I'll just be showing you how to enhance the image quality. Okay, so once you're in, I'm sorry, you're gonna select your image, right? So you're in here, you select your image. I'm gonna select that. I already downloaded one, as I told you, and you saw it, right? Let's select the one that you guys saw me downloading, and it's horrible. As you guys can see, it's horrible. Now it might not be perfect once I'm done, but yo, there's a whole lot of difference. Let me show you guys. So you click on the tools and then you go on AI enhance. All right, AI enhance. Don't forget. Now my internet is slow. I wish I could just disconnect and connect my use my data. Okay, it's done. Never mind. So let's say you're working with an image like this, right? Let's just take it that you have an image like this. If you do, then this is not bad, because you could have your own image that just needs enhancing before posting, right? This was too horrible, so it tried to make it look good. Now you can increase the intensity and it'll just sharpen everything for you. What I like to do is that I like to say done, right? I like to say done, and I like to do it again. I do it again and it enhances it even further. Okay, guys, so this is the second try. The first one, I mean, there's not much of a big difference, but it does add a few details onto the character. If you check closely, um, it sharpened it even more. And remember, it's an AI. It's AI, so it tries its best not to just sharpen, but also add a few features onto the picture. So that's it, guys. Look, 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 look. Imagine if it was just your picture that didn't have words like this. It wouldn't mess it up as much. It would make it clearer. Remember, bro, this was horrible. This is how it was. This was horrible. Look at the after, before, after, before, after, before. Bro, you can't tell me this is not the best software ever. Or app, because it's not even a software, it's an app. Bro. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, guys, please, please, please don't forget to hit the sub button, okay? It helps a lot, especially with getting more people who need help with such stuff. I like to help people. I have another channel that's doing well. So I was struggling at first, and these type of things help me, get things done. So yeah, I like to help people also, get to the top. So don't forget, guys. Don't forget to hit the sub button. And yeah, that's it from me, guys.